sands of the valley, the weight of despair. He's seen enough blood for 1,000 lifetimes, the greed of the kings and the cost of their crimes. So he turns to the north, where the mountain peaks rise, with the shadow of sorrow still dark in his eyes. Into the thicket where the world falls away, to hide from the madness and the light of the day. He sat by the roots of 1,000-year oak and shed the iron world like a heavy gray cloak. He listened to moss, he listened to stone, learning the language of being alone. The violent rhythms of man started to fade, replaced by the pulse of the leaf and the blade. Oh, dance with the fairies in the twilight slow, drink from the dew where the wild things grow. The forest is breathing, the forest is home, under the stars and the high mountain dome. Balur is merging with sap and with wood, finding the balance, finding the good. The thrush and he runs with the deer. The rot of the city is a world away from here. A full year of silence, a full year of grace, with the kiss of the wind on a smiling face. He's talking to spirits in the shimmering heat, with the pulse of the earth drumming under his feet. 300 days and 65 more, washing the stains of the human-made war. The viper may strike and the nightshade may bloom, but inside his veins there is no more room for the sting of the poison or the bite of the death. He breathes in the wild with every single breath.